In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up WordPress multi-language without a plugin, and we'll also explore an easier alternative. Now, diving into creating a multilingual website can be quite an adventure, especially if you're doing it without the aid of a plugin. It might sound a bit daunting at first, but once you understand the basic process, you'll find it quite manageable. So, let's get started. First, you need to go to wordpress.com. This is your one-stop hub for everything you need to build your website. Simply head over to your favorite browser and type in the WordPress homepage URL. Once you arrive, take a moment to appreciate the myriad of features at your disposal. You can explore a range of tools that allow you to expand your website's capabilities. Next, you'll need to log in to your WordPress account. Look for the Login button located conveniently on the top right of the homepage. Click on it and you'll be directed to the login page. Enter your details and access your account. If you don't have an account yet, this would be the perfect time to consider creating one, as this is essential for the next steps. Upon logging in, navigate to your WordPress dashboard. The dashboard serves as the control panel for your website, where all the magic happens. Here, you manage your site's content, settings, and design. Familiarize yourself with this area as it's crucial for configuring your multilingual site without using a plugin. Now, find and click on Appearance. It's typically located on the left sidebar of your dashboard. The Appearance section is your go-to place for customizing the style and layout of your site. This is a key step as it sets the stage for creating language-specific menus. Under the Appearance tab, look for Menus. Click on it. This is where you manage your website's navigation menus. Menus guide visitors through your site, and, in the case of a multilingual setup, they allow users to switch languages seamlessly. After accessing the Menus section, your next step is to click on Language Switcher. The Language Switcher is an essential tool for enabling your site's visitors to choose their preferred language. It integrates smoothly into your menu, offering a user-friendly way to present content in multiple languages. If you're interested in an easier alternative than manually setting up languages without a plugin, you might want to explore specialized plugins designed for this purpose in the WordPress plugin directory. These plugins can simplify the process significantly with just a few clicks. And there you have it, a basic walkthrough on setting up a multilingual WordPress site manually, plus a glimpse into a more straightforward alternative. Remember, building a multilingual site takes time and practice, so don't rush. Enjoy the process and watch your site grow into a global destination. Thanks for tuning in, and I hope you found this tutorial helpful.